Hello from Slovenia again. Today I'm working on 8 by 24-inch canvas, and I already poured my black base down, so you see my marks around, and I will do a dip and lip, but just with one kind of flower and drag it down. So I'm going for minimalistic black and white painting. Hopefully it will create some nice kind of flower here, and I will use just pearl white and Amsterdam oxide black. How I mix my pearl white for some lacing and some effects, you can check into the description box, where you will find a link to my mixing paints video, so that I will not explain everything. So let's start. So I will start with pearl white, and I will do 4 dots first, and then one like this, and this will be my kind of flower pattern. And black, and I will add paints like this, that paint will flow towards the middle to create kind of a flower shape. Maybe I need a little more black too. So I will basically just do some puddles of paint, black and white one, and then I will use my paper napkin. So it will be another tutorial how you can paint with acrylics and paper napkin. I like this because, you know, I can't draw a flower, but I like flowers, so it's nice that you can do a flower. Maybe I can change my angle, okay, without even know how to draw. Of course it's an abstract art, because acrylic pouring, fluid art is an abstract art. You can create some kind of shapes like flowers and all kind of things, but it's still abstract. It's not like you would do, you know, you would draw something with your brush or palette knife. So we use palette knives too for swiping and some techniques, but still it's an abstract. Okay, and I think that I will leave it like this, and I will draw some kind of petal shapes with the skewer like that, just to maybe give it a little interest. Okay, so this part is done, And as I said, I am going for a minimalistic pattern, kind of. How can I say, not pattern? Minimalistic painting. I just have to refill my bottle with water. I spray my paper napkin because I want that it's more soft, but you can use plastic, or you can use dry paper towel. This is just my preference. And the middle of my napkin will be in the middle of the flower, not in the middle of the canvas, because that's why I'm doing this, is because it's easier for me to lift it as I want, because that's how I know where the middle of my flower is when I'm lifting this. So I prefer to do it that way. So the moment of truth, maybe my flower could be a little bigger, but as I said, I am going for minimalistic look. Okay, let me grab this and up and lip. Yay. Love it. Love it. Because I was hoping for just a minimalistic looking flower without anything else. Or how can I say? Maybe it's a little dark here. Just a second. Better. Ooh, and now you have a glare. Better, I think. Yes. Wow. I think that it's really, really nice. I could do, you know, some more of the flowers, but for this one I wanted to have this minimalistic looking flower, totally minimalistic, and because of all these details from pearl white, it looks just amazing for me. So I will leave it to dry like it is, and I think that it's really, really nice. So let me take you down for a close-up. So here it is. Maybe some of you will say that I should do, ooh, a glare, I should do more of them little ones, but for this time I want to have it just, and you see my reflection, just like that. And look at all those beautiful lacing on the white petals. It's just beautiful, for my opinion. So I think that it looks really modern. And the next one will be on the same sized canvas, I think, but I was thinking to use a rainbow colors and do a rainbow flower like that in the minimalistic style. So, and maybe some on just with pearl white and some dark blue or something. Or tell me which combination you want to see, but with this minimalistic style, just with one painting, one flower. Sorry. So this is it for today. Tell me in the comments what you think about this dip and lip technique. And if you didn't subscribe, consider to do so. And see you on the next one. Bye.